The jointer is the most dangerous tool in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to use it appropriately and efficiently and safely because it is very essential. It's your first step of any job. So what the jointer does is it makes one flat face, okay? And we do that by passing the wood over the cast iron surface, and this cutter head cuts the jointer. So things that you're going to need to do this efficiently, you're going to need safety glasses, of course, and maybe some push blocks. I prefer not to use the push blocks, but you can if you'd like. So we have our table, our fence, and our drive wheel. We need to oppose the force of the drive wheel at all times. That means we always need to have a hand or a push block on the wood, or what'll happen, rather than cut, that wheel will grab it and it'll kick it back, okay? So always oppose the force. Never pass your hand over the blade under any circumstance. And you'll do that by using a technique which I call the bicycle technique, which I'm ready to show you. An alternative method to face joining is using these push blocks, and I'll demonstrate that right now. The first thing that you want to do is make sure you wipe off any dust from the rubber grippers, or it will not grip appropriately. I'm going to place both grippers on. Now after I've created one flat and smooth plane, I can make another plane that's 90 degrees to it. And this would be the second S of S4S. I'm going to use this fence, which has been set to 90 degrees, and I'm going to keep the wood tight up against that, making sure not to put my hand over the blade. I can see that this piece of wood has quite a bit of rock in it, so it's probably going to take me multiple passes to get it straight. Now that I have two flat sides that are a straight plane and they're 90 degrees to each other, I can go ahead and move on to the other two machines to create S4S lumber.